Hello, you are welcome once again to my channel. Today I've decided to show you the face behind those videos. Okay, so if today your first time coming to this channel, I give you a warmly welcome and I will urge you to stay tuned. And if you are yet to subscribe, I'll please plead with you to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload any video. Today I'm going to take you to how to prepare a spicy goat stew, and that same goat stew will be used for our spicy jollof in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Now let's go straight to the ingredients for our goat stew. So this is our goat meat, cayenne pepper, fresh pepper, garlic powder, mixed spices, black pepper, ginger, 3 medium size of onions, some tomatoes, and this spices was made by myself, which I will be teaching in our next video. Some stock seasoning, bay leaf, and vegetable oil. So first of all, what we need to do is to marinate our meat. done with the meat, so we are going straight to our stew. Our stew is ready, so we are going to add our goat meat. Stir it gently. Then you leave it on fire under medium heat to simmer for 2 minutes. Now our goat stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.